Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an important update on X, formerly known as Twitter, enabling email notifications is the way to go. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on new email notifications on X using your PC, following the latest update. First, open your web browser and go to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation menu. Find and click on the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 dots and sits towards the bottom of the menu. A new list will appear. Select Settings and Privacy from here. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section and click it. This is where you control all your notification preferences. Next, select Preferences. You'll see several options for customizing how you receive updates. Now, click on Email Notifications. This section allows you to tailor what types of alerts you want to get in your inbox. To enable new notifications, simply check the box labeled New Notifications. This ensures that whenever there's activity related to your account like mentions, replies, or new followers, you'll get an email letting you know. Take a moment to review the other email notification options as well. You can choose to receive emails for things like direct messages, security alerts, or account recommendations. Adjust these settings to match your preferences. Once you've checked new notifications and are happy with your choices, your changes are saved automatically. There's no need to click a Save button. X updates your preferences right away. That's it. You've successfully enabled new email notifications on X with just a few clicks. Now, you'll stay informed about the latest activity on your account, directly from your inbox. If you ever want to adjust these settings, just follow these steps again. Thanks for tuning in. Stay connected and enjoy your updated X experience.